On the contrary, the measures are aimed at protecting the safety and well-being of every Kenyan. Strict observance of these measures, which include cessation of movement across our borders with Tanzania and Somalia, aims to stem the rising cases we have been witnessing in some of the border counties in the recent past. I'm therefore appealing to Kenyans to continue to support and cooperate with the government to ensure compliance of the directives. We're equally aware about the difficult situation in designated areas of Eastleigh in Nairobi and Old Town in Mombasa, where movement in and out of these areas has been restricted. I want to thank the residents of these estates for their cooperation and perseverance, and want to urge them to continue observing the containment measures as advised by the Ministry of Health. These measures of hand washing, maintaining high standards of hygiene, observing of social and physical distancing, and proper wearing of masks have been said many times, but that is because they have proven to be the most effective in dealing with containment of this pandemic. I want to urge the residents of these estates not to tire, not to relent, but to continue with the same practice, because that is our solution to beat this pandemic. I want to remind Kenyans that apart from COVID-19, there are other health challenges that continue to affect our people. Dealing with this pandemic does not in any way deny Kenyans the opportunity to visit our health facilities for treatment of other conditions. As government, we are encouraging our people to continue visiting their preferred medical facilities for treatment. Again, we have put in place all the infection prevention and control measures to ensure that these facilities are safe and do not pose any risk to those visiting them in terms of acquiring the COVID-19 virus. So that fear should not be there, and Kenyans should feel comfortable visiting these facilities. Regarding our COVID-19 situation, if we come to the numbers for today, our surveillance and case management team tested 1,139 samples in the last 24 hours. Out of this number, 25 have tested positive for coronavirus. This brings to 912 the total number of positive cases in Kenya. 23 of these positive cases are male and 2 are female. The youngest case is 22 years old, while the oldest is 50 years. Cumulatively, the cases so far tested are 44,851.